You know, I've stood on stages, looked out at crowds just like you, people hungry for more, dreaming of that life where money isn't a chain around your neck, but wings lifting you higher. And today, right here, I'm going to share something that burns in my soul, something that transformed a kid from Omaha into one of the richest souls on this planet. But this isn't about me. No, this is about you. Imagine for a second, closing your eyes and feeling the weight of $1 million in your hands. Not just numbers on a screen, but freedom, the kind that lets you chase sunsets with your loved ones, build dreams that echo through generations. What if I told you that path is real, that it's waiting for you, not in some lottery ticket or get-rich-quick scheme, but in timeless wisdom from a book that saved my life, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Oh, it didn't just teach me, it ignited me. It pulled me from doubt's dark pit and thrust me into the light of possibility. And if you're still here listening, I promise, by the end of this, you'll feel that fire too. You'll walk away believing you can claim your million. Stay with me, because this journey, it's yours. Let me take you back to when I was 19, lost in the haze of youth, scrambling through college halls at Columbia. Life felt like a storm, endless questions, no answers. Money? It was this mysterious beast, slipping through fingers like sand. Then, I cracked open that book, The Intelligent Investor. It wasn't just words on paper. It was a thunderclap. Scales fell from my eyes, and suddenly, I saw how the world really spins, how wealth isn't luck or magic. It's a flame you nurture with heart and grit. That book didn't hand me riches on a silver platter. Oh no, it gave me principles, a compass in the chaos, principles that whispered, Warren, believe in the long game, trust the process. And listen to me now, those principles, they've built empires. They've turned ordinary folks into legends. You can wield them too. Feel that spark? That's the beginning. Let's dive deep into the soul of this wisdom, the lessons that made me rich, not just in pockets, but in purpose. First, this one hits hard. The difference between investing and speculation. You see, most people, they chase shadows in the market, hearts pounding with wild hopes. This stock's gonna explode, they scream, betting everything on a whisper. But that's speculation, a gamble that leaves you broken, soul-shattered when it crumbles. I remember nights staring at the ceiling, tempted by those quick wins. But Graham, he grabbed my hand and said, no, Warren, invest. An investment, it's thorough, it's safe. It's a promise of return built on rock-solid ground. You've analyzed it, felt its pulse, known its story. Safety of principle, that's your shield against the storms. Adequate return, not fireworks, but a steady glow that warms your future. I chose that path, religiously. No more chasing ghosts. And you know what? It compounded. Those small, sure steps, they built mountains. Imagine you waking up, not to fear, but to confidence. No more losses tearing at your heart. Be an investor, my friend. Feel the power in that word. Investor. It's not just action, it's identity. Claim it and watch your world transform. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about Mr. Market. This concept, it's like staring into the mirror of humanity's wild emotions. Picture him, this manic figure knocking at your door every day. Some mornings he's euphoric, grinning wildly, offering prices that soar like eagles. Other times, he's crumbling, tears streaming, begging you to take his shares for pennies. Mr. Market, he's irrational, driven by fear, greed, the chaos of crowds. But you don't have to dance to his tune. No, Graham taught me, ignore the madness, focus on value, the true worth burning beneath the surface. When he's manic high, sell if it serves you. When he's despairing low, buy with all the courage in your heart. I've lived this through crashes that crush spirits. 1973-74, the market plunged 50%. People wailed, sold everything, hearts in ruins. But me, I smiled through the pain. Mr. Market's just having a bad day, I thought. Coca-Cola, still quenching thirsts worldwide. Washington Post, still telling truths. Their value, unshaken. So I bought more and more. And when the sun rose again, as it always does, those investments bloomed. Oh, the joy The sheer exhilaration of turning fear into fortune. You feel that? In 2008's Nightmare, same story. Mr. Market wept, but I danced. Billions poured in because I knew. Emotions fade, value endures. Don't let his moods drag you down. Rise above. Use them. Turn his weakness into your strength. Imagine the freedom. No more panic selling. No more regret. Just calm, powerful decisions from the heart. Now, lean in closer. The margin of safety. This is the heartbeat of it all. Graham called it central. And oh, how it saved me time and again. It's not about being perfect. No one is. It's about protection. A buffer for your dreams. You analyze a stock, feel it's worth at $50. Do you buy at $50? No. Wait for $35. That gap, it's your armor. Even if life throws curveballs, if your judgment wavers, you're safe. I've missed deals, watched great companies slip away because the price screamed risk. But the ones I grabbed, with that safety net, they soared, cushioning every fall. Think of it like loving someone. You don't rush in blind. You build trust layer by layer. Margin of safety, it's love for your future self. It whispers, I've got you, even in the dark. Follow this, and losses, they become whispers, not screams. Gains, they echo forever. Feel the security, the peace that lets you sleep at night, dreaming big. And speaking of dreams, let's embrace dollar cost averaging, the quiet hero of wealth. Graham's formula, simple yet profound. Invest a fixed amount every month, rain or shine. No timing the market's whims, that's folly. When prices dip, you snag more shares. When they climb, fewer but steady. Over time, it averages, compounds like a snowball rolling into an avalanche. $500 a month in an S&P fund. 30 years, $1 million from $180,000 of your sweat. Not genius, just consistency. I've seen it, felt it build in my bones. No drama, just quiet power. For you with jobs, families, this is freedom. No obsessing over charts, just faith in the long haul. Start today, feel the rhythm. It's like breathing in, out, wealth growing with every heartbeat. Temperament, this one tugs at the soul. Graham said it's not brains, it's heart. Patience to wait decades. Discipline to hold when fear claws at you. Emotional control. Oh, that's the battle. I've known geniuses ruined by greed's fire, panic's ice, but ordinary hearts with steady flames, they conquer. Be patient, like a tree rooting deep. Disciplined, sticking to principles when the world mocks. Calm, when storms rage. Emotions, they're your enemy, whispering lies. Resist, I did, through every crash, reminding myself, value endures. That control, it's worth billions. Develop it, and you're unstoppable. Feel the strength rising in you? Now, reading financial statements. Don't yawn. This is empowerment, Graham insisted. Understand the numbers, the stories they tell. Balance sheets, they reveal stability, like a home's foundation. Income statements, profits pulsing like lifeblood. Cash flow, the breath keeping it alive. I pored over reports as a young man, hours melting away, but oh, the clarity. No more blind bets. You can too. Learn, feel the confidence surge. It's not drudgery, it's unlocking secrets, claiming control over your destiny. Avoid the crowd. Graham's warning echoes, herds stampede to cliffs, but you, think alone. Be contrarian. When value calls, I've been called crazy. Buying when all sold, but principles held, and victory followed. Don't blend in. Stand out. Feel the thrill of independence? Diversification, your shield. 10-30 stocks across worlds. One fails, a scratch, not a wound. Index funds, instant armor. Graham would cheer. Protect your heart's investments. Spread the love. Avoid debt. Conservatism's embrace. Strong balance sheets weather tempests. No margin loans. They amplify agony. I stayed debt-free, flexible, ready. You too. Build foundations of stone. Finally, the goal, not beating markets, but building steadily. Adequate returns, compounding into splendor. No quick riches, just safe, soulful growth. I focused there, and wealth bloomed. These lessons, they're your fire. Recap. Invest, not speculate. Master Mr. Market. Demand safety. Average dollars. Temper your heart. Analyze deep. Defy crowds. Diversify. Shun debt. build steady. Apply them. Get the book. Read slow. Let it seep into your spirit. Invest now. Be patient. This changes everything. Believe your million awaits. Thank you. Now go. Become the intelligent investor you were born to be.